This information God want I send you DIA department, intelligence department in United States, DIA. God want you understand from September you are responsible to freezing India culture inside the DIA department. Because war coming by me to the India culture in the war. The country in India be destroyed, Mr. But returning back to your department, DIA, you are responsible to freezing this culture or destroying this culture in your department before many fall in United States, many fall in your department, average, completely be destroyed. So God want you understand, don't worry about Canada because Canada did two times worse than you by India culture in the country. Canada facing the tsunami in 2021 and Canada government completely be crashed down. So God want you understand you are not Canada to giving job to these people and carry on future. You are responsible to freezing this culture on the criminal investigation to India culture and CIA department going back to the Pakistani people to freezing Pakistani people inside the CIA department completely must be freeze. So this information I send you, this information I send you by this sign. This is the India completely be crashed down in 2021 by Canada facing tsunami. Their government is completely be crashed down. Bankruptcy government raising in 2021. From September, this European flood raising to return back to the Canada by tsunami on the criminal investigation to their government and their team whom giving to India culture job and Pakistani and